why did you choose Sunhill for your child? Well, based from our friends and from our initial inquiry in Sunhill, nagustuhan namin how they handle their online classes and how they make the new normal pa rin for the kids even if hindi face-to-face yung classes.
Based kasi doon sa mga feedbacks din coming from our friends, and okay siya kasi para siyang normal pa rin na schooling, like meron siya sariling classroom, tapos merong mga father and child, yung day ng father and child. Maganda siya kasi nagagawa pa rin nila lahat kahit virtual lang. So nakakatuwa siya. Maganda yung effect sa bata, although it's the new normal, ika nga nila, para siyang normal na face-to-face na dating ginagawa natin. So, okay lang talaga, napakaganda niya.
Question number 2. What can you say about the modalities that Sunhill offer in this new normal of education? Well, based naman sa online class, hindi naman naging mahirap for our child to cope or to adjust with the online. Gina-guide lang talaga namin siya. And if we have questions sa mga teachers, napakadaling lapitan, isang message lang, nagre-reply agad sila. So, we're really thankful for that.
And malaking factor yan kasi nga po, nalalapitan namin agad yung teachers. Hindi sila mahirap hagilapin, in short. And napaka-friendly, madali silang i-approach. So, okay siya. The bottom line is, hindi kami nagkamali ng pagpili ng school, Sunhill. And, yun lang.
Bye!